Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Don Shaver, and I'm a candidate for the Thomas County Coroner's Office. I was born and raised just 30 miles north of here in Camilla, Georgia, and I graduated from Westwood High School. Also graduated from Guthrie Jones College in Mortuary Science in Atlanta. And I have two sons. I've got a 23-year-old son who's in Nashville, Tennessee. He's a head claims negotiator for Prime Health Services. And a 21-year-old son who is in the United States Air Force, and he's stationed at Washington, D.C. at Andrews Air Force Base. I'm a member of First Baptist Church, where I serve as a deacon, sing in the adult choir, and taught several children's Sunday school classes. I'm also a former member